Y'all know what time it is. Yeah, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere we... So look, we're currently in Dallas. It's December and it's 62 degrees outside. Cannot complain at all. This is beautiful. The exciting thing is that we are going to be going in the office today. Even though today I typically work out of office, I'm going in the office today just to film it. But first we gotta go to the gym. What a life. Sometimes I just listen to jazz, like, makes me feel like I'm in a movie. We back at the crib now, and we about to shower. Yep, just like that. We are ready for work. I actually spent the first half of the day at home working on the computer. I just didn't record it because y'all saw that last time. Hopefully y'all saw that last time. I still didn't edit it yet, but yeah, we're off to go to work.
Eu não vou ir, melhor nem pedir. Eu não vou ir, não quero ir. E também podem me intrigar e até sorrir e até chorar. E podem mesmo imaginar o que melhor lhes parecer. Podem espalhar que estou cansada de viver e que é uma pena para quem me conheceu. Eu sou mais você e eu.
In the parking garage, walking up into the office on a Friday. It's Christmas time. This is very empty on a Friday. So empty. And this is where I sit. You can see your boy, your boy's actually a developer. Yeah.
Podem me chamar e me pedir e me rogar. E podem mesmo falar mal, ficar de mal que não faz mal. Podem preparar milhões de festas ao luar. Eu não vou ir, melhor nem pedir. Eu não vou ir, não quero ir. E também podem me intrigar e até sorrir e até chorar. E podem mesmo imaginar o que melhor lhes parecer. Podem espalhar que eu estou cansada de viver e que é uma pena para...
When it gets close to the holidays and Christmas, things start to slow down. Alright, let's work on some slight things and go around the office.
E podem mesmo falar mal, ficar de mal que não faz mal. Podem preparar milhões de festas ao luar. Eu não vou ir, melhor nem pedir. Eu não vou ir, não quero ir. E também podem me intrigar e até sorrir e até chorar. E podem mesmo imaginar o que melhor lhes parecer. Podem espalhar que eu estou cansada de viver e que é uma pena para quem me conheceu. Eu sou mais você e eu.
Yeah, there's definitely more parts to this office, but I don't feel like showing it, so that's the office tour. Yo, check this out. So this video was filmed back in December. Now it is March. So you can really say this video was 3 months in the making. The rooms themselves come with monitors in all of these phone rooms, so if you just need to hook up, you can hook up. You know, a nice light bar right there. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what they got going on, but first I have to make sure nobody's out there. Yeah, let's do it.
Even rhyming longer than Dickman the sea creature. Been on Saturday feature. Pleased to meet ya. And came to wake you up out the deep sleeper. Like he needed to stop before he caught the knee drop. Even give you more sit than ZZ Top. Will full bears thou shalt not more corner. Kedra like one more steps in y'all's corners. So-called rich front if you wanna. When he spit electrics, don't be in y'all saunas. He only here to warn us what the plan is. The hour is up on us, it's bananas. Born alone, die alone, no matter who your man is. Hope he live long enough to tell it to his grandkids. King Kedra, 3-finger ring fever. Spring chicken eater, ID'd as the ringleader. Who needs a heater? Catch him with bare hands. These same hands that make raises out beer cans. His own biggest fan, and got a fan base.
We have reached 100 subscribers. And I barely even posted anything on this channel, so I should probably post some more.
Big as Japan. Yeah, and all hail the king.